Welcome to the Quantum Collective.
Alright, this isn't brewing or cooking. This is how to put spikes on your jacket. By Dogstick Fetch, that's me. Now you may be asking yourself, Jake, you're so cool. How'd you get those spikes on your jacket? Well, it's kind of a pain, but get a sharp knife. A pointy sharp knife. Flathead screwdriver. I live and die by my process, so I have a thick coat. Pick the spot where you want the next hole to be, and it's going to be like here-ish. Get the knife in the spot. Just twist it a little bit. You'll cut yourself a hole, and you'll poke through the other side, which you will go find. Flip it out, find the hole. Put the knife in through that hole. See, it's poking out. Now you can twirl it just a little bit. Take the spike that you're about to put in, but put it in upside down in the hole you just cut. This way you can push it in a little bit. You can push it in a little bit and widen the hole. And then when you flip it upside down, you have a spike poking out. Okay? And you can take the base, which is so tiny and so difficult to get through these holes unless you do this, and you can push it up against the spike and use it to guide the spike base right back through. And now the base is out. You start to screw it on. Hold on to the spike, flip it out. You got your base screwdriver. It's not that hard. You just gotta have a process. I'm telling you mine because I've just done it 30 times. So. I had to do mine like this because my coat has multiple layers of fabric. If you have a single layer, it'll be a lot easier for you. Hope this helps. Good luck!